Here I am in downtown Gulfport, the morning after Debby came through, Tropical Storm Debby for us. We're going to have a little look to see what's going on down here and see if there's some people we can help. In the meantime, you see they've got the streets locked off. And, Gulfport is known for taking on water. There'll be no big surprise there. So we're up just a little bit north of the bazaar. You can see the storm surge made it, geez, all the way up here. I mean, at least 1 block inland. It's going to take quite a bit to clean all this up for sure. News is here. That's going to be Storm Runner's Tavern. Here, the beach bazaar ended up taking on water even though they did everything they could do. You worry about these businesses down here for sure. Only so many times you can take this. We're going to go have a look to the right over by the Tiki and Neptunes, and then we'll go down and see what's left of the pier. Here's Main Street down here by the casino. The water's pretty good, I know. We've got boats washed up down there. Not super deep. The water's dirty with all that oil. There's a sailboat right down there, right across from Maddie's. A couple more down by the park. It's really got beat up. Take us a little stroll. Volleyball courts seem to be a little bit underwater. Hi, Rudy. How did you guys do? All right. Neptunes looks all right. And to my favorite place, the Tiki on shore. Well, it wasn't ideal. Got some issues down here for sure. I don't know if I can make it across to the beach or not. We'll give it a try here in a second. Turn this off. The wind is really howling at it right now. What's up, guys? Rain's coming back in. I'm going to try and get a shot down here before it gets too wet. There's some lightning down the ways. Isn't necessarily the greatest idea of all time, but you can have carnage down here with all these boats. Yeah, mooring balls won't open last night. Had another one come in here. One always seems to make it. We're going to have to cut this short because there's a squall. Alright, well, the storm is back.